Hello everyone. Today is the very first day of my knowledge sharing. My name is Dilut Polkar. So today I'm going to share you a very important thing which most of the people may not know. The technique what I'm going to share is how to sit down. How to sit down on a chair. Because I'm pretty much sure most of the people nowadays are getting bored while being in quarantine during this pandemic just because of not knowing how to sit down on a chair properly, how to relax on a chair properly. So I kind of feeling a responsibility to share you the knowledge, and don't worry, I'm going to share you all those things. The steps are very simple. All you have to do is just to point your butt on your chair. As you can see, there is a sofa behind me. So sofa and chair both work in the same way. So just point your butt on it and slowly bend your knees, and that's it. You sit down. So please practice it as much as you can, and I hope your quarantine time will not be that boring. Stay home, stay safe, stay separate. Oh, one more thing. Please comment below what thing should I cover in the next day of my knowledge sharing. Thank you so much.